Visual communication design works to convey information to the audience. There are many elements in visual communication design, and one of them is illustration. The illustration is the elements that are used in visual communication design media. Illustration created are necessarily based on everyday life phenomena. One of the most popular phenomena is Laika, the first dog to be flown into space. To realize the Laika illustration design, it is research use design thinking methods. Design thinking has 5 stages, namely empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Visual communication design serves to convey information to the audience and has many elements, one of them which illustration. Illustration as a visual language that is very easy to see is able to represent the original portrait of other techniques such as photography and videography. In the field of research, illustration is something that can be widely developed because it is able to translate portraits into visual views to present an image that aims to explain, develop, and define the researcher's thoughts regarding the situation, which is the main basis for discussing the meaning of the picture itself. Illustration is able to compose situations that cannot be captured through photographs, such as expression and atmosphere that cannot be seen directly. Illustration as a work of art that can clarify story, ideas, or narratives that aim to strengthen, clarify, and emphasize a story, as in Laika story. Laika is the name of the first dog to be sent into space. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first satellite, Sputnik 1, into Earth orbit. According to an article written in Wikipedia, after the Soviet Union launched its first satellite, 1 month later, the project Sputnik 2 was prepared by sacrificing a dog as an experimental material before launching a manned space flight. But unfortunately, Laika died in outer space and never returned to Earth. To commemorate Laika and her sacrifice, this illustration of Laika, the animal astronaut, can be symbolized as a medicine for longing for Laika dog pet lovers. The digital illustration of Laika, the animal astronaut, was designed with a design thinking method as a research achievement so that the memory of Laika can be appreciated as a lesson to have empathy for all living things. Design thinking has 5 stages, namely empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. In the process of designing this illustration, the researcher used the design thinking method, which has 5 stages. The first one is empathize. At the empathize stage, the researcher wants to create an illustration to commemorate Laika, a dog who died during the Soviet Union experimental flight of animals into space in November 3rd, 1957. This illustration can help remember what happened at the time Laika was sacrificed by the Soviet Union in preparation for launch a manned space flight. The define process. At the define stage, the researcher collects news information about Laika in online news media, such as what Laika was like at the time when it happened and what was Laika's fate at the end of the experiment. Then make observation to find out what kind of illustration is suitable to describe the news about Laika at that time and attract the audience to see Laika illustration. The third process, ideate. After making the observation, the researcher decide to make a vector illustration of Laika as a portrait of the astronaut dog. Through this illustration, it can be seen that Laika's flight at that time was in vain, and Laika would definitely die because the temperature and pressure of each layer of the atmosphere is different. Some are very hot to cold, so living things may not necessarily survive when passing through the outer atmosphere. In addition, the illustration also illustrated the researchers' hope that Laika will be flown with proper physical safety by wearing astronaut suit, such as the image of the astronaut suit that is often displayed in the media, and the size of the dress is adjusted to Laika body shape. This is in stark contrast to the original photo shown in the media at the time. Laika was simply put in a box. The fourth process, prototype. In the illustration that were made, the researcher used real lines and vector strokes using soft and dark coloring. In connection with the stories and news about Laika, who is unable to survive in outer space, the coloring is very representative of the feelings of every audience who sees it. The sad impression that can drain the audience tears is considered the represent of this illustration as the last portrait of Laika before she dies. Portrait of Laika before death, depicting a long protruding tongue, that it can mean that Laika is also struggling to breathe and survive while in the cabin of spaceship. Dogs usually stick their tongue out when they are hot and happy. However, from Laika's illustrated portrait, it is very clear that Laika is not happy when her presence in a foreign place scares her. Researchers added extraterrestrial elements such as planets, starlight, asteroid rocks, and well as the helmet and astronaut suit used by Laika to depict Laika journey into space and Laika as an astronaut dog. In addition, researchers want to show the hope of the Soviet Union at the time that Laika could return to Earth with a happy expression and also be able to prove that humans can fly into space. Although in the original photo, Laika looks confused, scared, and feeling depressed by sticking out her tongue. The last process, testing. The digital illustration of Laika, the animal astronaut, is able to create a sense of empathy for the audience because this illustration reminds that the audience of the tragic story of Laika in the minds of pet lover. The distribution of the media used for Laika's illustration can be spread through social media because social media is able to reach a very wide audience to spread memorable news. The illustration development was made by assembling pictures of other components such as astronaut suits to space scenes that are familiar to us to understand, such as determining dark colors and seemingly full of pressure. The definition that can be compiled by researchers to also make other ideas arise, such as line or shading techniques used by vector technique to able to describe the wrinkle of the animal's facial expression with a deeper dramatization of the situation in the spacecraft cabin at the time. The tense situation was also felt by researchers and the audience when they saw the illustration. Another element that the writer thought when making the illustration rests on the phenomena of everyday life, such as empathy for other living beings besides humans, in this case animals, so that it arouses our concern not to do this test on animals that are usually human friends, such as dogs, cats, or other animals that have strong instinct. The selection of the type of animal as a test tool also affects the audience opinion. The portrait of Laika, the animal astronaut, inspired researchers to make her portrait into digital illustration that could be translated by a wider audience. With digital vector illustration technique, researchers can freely tell Laika's situation with line drawings and detailed vector edits. Vector style is easier for audience to accept because it can become a trend in modern illustration technique with the use of certain software such as Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustration by paying attention to vector quality and shading details. The illustration is able to represent the sadness of the researcher and the audience about the story of Laika, the animal astronaut, to prevent the same incident from happening again for other types of living things, and can be valuable lesson for scientists not to use pets as testing tools. My name is Victor Adilung Abednego. Thank you.